Things to know before entering tiled bathroom. If your bathroom is tiled, here are few things you must know before entering. 1. When your phone rings, never be in haste to pick up. No matter how important the call is, even if it is $1 million worth of call. Let your phone ring, you can always call back. 2. Get a different type of tiles for your bathroom. Tilers can help you. Avoid smooth tiles. If what you have is a smooth tiles, change it as soon as possible. 3. Get bathroom slippers. There are slippers for bathroom. Not the random slippers you wear in your streets. These slippers are designed in such a way that when you step in them, it grips the floor. Avoid raising one leg in the attempt of washing and scrubbing it. This particular one has sent many people to their early grave. If you need to scrub your legs, bend down with your legs gripped to the floor or sit in your bathtub to wash your legs. 5. Avoid your bathroom from getting wet at all times. For those who have their water closet combined with the shower bathtub, don't spill water everywhere in the name of bathing. 6. There is nothing so important in the world when you are in the bathroom. No running. Walk gently.